Right, it's been ages since I've done one of these videos. We're going to do a little walkthrough of a job we've just completed in Chapel Allerton in Leeds 7. It's a 4 metre by 3 metre one, so what we'll do, I'll walk you through the job, you can have a look at it. So basically, semi-detached house, they needed a bit more space, so they created a garden office. Consumer unit is located under the stairs here. We've put an isolating switch there for it, so that feeds the garden room. Also, the Cat 6 comes from the front of the house, it runs across there. We've took it through into the garage. So the steel wide armoured there, 10mm steel wide armoured, and the Cat 6 as well. They run through the garage, then they go under the customer's decking. Customer, as you can see, has got AstroTurf. He's all about the low maintenance. So this is his garden room. So some of you might remember we did a Kingspan video. So the roof is actually a Kingspan insulated panel roof. We've also finished it in anthracite, soffit and fascia. You can see the metal trims on there. If you look at my other videos, you'll see how we fit that. And we've also clad it in this Hardie VL range. It's a tongue groove board. It's an excellent product. We're not sponsored by nobody. We just do stuff, and if it's good, it works. We talk about it, and if it doesn't work, we'll also talk about it as well. It's easy to fit. I'm going to do a full tutorial on this composite cladding as well. It's easy to fit, looks fantastic, it's fireproof, it's maintenance free, and it'll look this colour in another 10-15 years, no problem. So if you're wondering what this recess is for here, I'll just turn the lights on just a minute and you should be able to see. Are we on, John? We are. So what's going to happen here, there's going to be a living wall in here. For those that don't know what a living wall is, they're big in Singapore apparently. So what they do, they put planters on the wall, and then the planters are filled with plants, so you'll actually have a living wall, hence the name of it. We've dropped in this LED strip light round there as well, and we've got some downlighters as well, just to add a bit of effect. So at night time, you're going to have this living wall, and you're going to have a backlight of light on it as well. We've got an outside socket down there as well. The customer's got a landscaper coming in, so they will finish this. They're going to pave all that area there, tidy up this AstroTurf and remove all that as well. I'll just talk to you about outside while we're here because it's raining as well. There's a security light there. If you notice, I've not took a breath yet. We're still going, and we're going strong. So we've got a soffit there. We've got downlighters in the soffit. They're all fire rated. We've also fit the bifold doors, 3 metre bifold doors. I'm going to take my boots off because it is raining. If you're interested, these are the best boots I've ever bought in my life. Steel blue. John? Best boots you can buy as far as I'm concerned. Right, 3 metre bifolds, aluminium, anthracite, all sliding right as viewed from the outside. And as always, beautiful glide on them, 1 finger operation. There's 2 reasons why it's a beautiful glide. They've been fit correctly, and also because they're a fantastic product. So inside, as I said, it's going to be an office stroke garden room. We've fit a laminate floor. We've also got downlighters in. The reason why these downlighters are hanging down because the electrician that we use to test it has yet to come and test it, so we leave the last light down for him so he knows which it is. We've also fit this ply TV unit, which the customer specified he wanted. It's literally sheets of good quality ply. You can see the dust on the floor there, we've not cleaned yet. The modem's in there as well. So we've created that out of ply. We've got some shelves there, TV fit, a Sonos sound system as well. In here, in this one, is where the consumer unit is. The driver is there for the LED lights as well. Consumer unit yet to be tested and signed off, but like I say, the electrician's going to come in and do that. And it's been finished as well. We didn't paint this particular project. The customer had his own decorator in. But the way forward with these now, I mean, cedar's great. Cedar's going through the roof cost-wise. Let me just show you these doors one more time. I know a lot of people like to see these doors glide. There you go. 1 finger, lock the pin on there, and then that's shut. So where are I going with that then? Composite cladding. I want to talk to you a little bit about this composite cladding. So it's fire retardant, it's colour fast. There's only one little downside to it, and that's cutting it. You've got to buy a special blade to cut it, but I'm going to do a full tutorial on that. Show you the blades used and show you another technique and method of cutting them as well. So there's your doors. I'll let you have a little walk around here with me as well, and John will show you what's going on around here as well. Like I say, he's going to get this fully landscaped, so that'll look fantastic when it's finished. But there you can see full wall composite cladding. Looks fantastic, and it'll stay that way forever. We've got these lovely clip-on trims that come with it as well. So when you cut it, you can just butt it up like that. Then there's another trim that goes on there, and then that one clips on the top of that. It's a fantastic finish. Like I say, great product. We're not trying to promote it. We've just used it. It's really good, and I think we'll go forward with this as well. So that is your 4 metre by 3 metre garden room with living wall, LED lights, composite cladding, and composite roof panels, basically, because they're Kingspan roof panels as well. So maintenance free. Look like this in 10-15 years, no problem at all. Okay, so that's that one. I've rushed through it a little bit. We're really busy at the moment, and if you're still watching this and you're the person that's sending me them emails, why don't you man up a little bit and call me? You know who you are. Thank you.